One of the biggest plays of Monday night's Chiefs win came when Patrick Mahomes hit tight end Demetrius Harris for a 35-yard gain on 3rd and 7 on the final play before the 2-minute warning. The play set up running back Kareem Hunt's go-ahead touchdown a few plays later, but replays suggested it shouldn't have happened at all. The play clock was at 0 when Mahomes took the snap, and it appeared that it was there longer than the extra beat it can take for officials to rule a play dead for delay of game. Broncos linebacker Brandon Marshall said after the game that referee Craig Rolstad confessed that they made a mistake. "It definitely was at 0, the replay showed that," Marshall said, via ESPN.com. "The ref told us that the ref that was supposed to be watching it just missed it. He told us that the ref told us the guy that was supposed to be watching the clock just missed it. So maybe he got caught up in watching the game because it was a good game, but you've got to do your job. Come on, that was huge. That was big." Cornerback Chris Harris heard the same thing and said, "You should be able to fix it," when he was told it was not a reviewable play. Harris added it wasn't the reason the Chiefs lost, but the huge no call didn't make their chances of winning any better.